Hi guys, welcome to Eric Auto Center. In this video, I'm going to show you the secret marks on Toyota Corolla, Pontiac Vibe and Toyota Matrix 1ZZ timing sprocket chain that people don't know, which is invisible, and sometimes due to the oil condition, these secret marks will be invisible for mechanics to see, and they always use one option or other to set it. But Toyota has done very well to provide yellow marks for its original mark so that anybody or any mechanic can use this option to fix it, apart from that invisible or secret marks. So as you can see, Toyota uses yellow marks to make its timing setting makes easier, and as you can see, it makes a work done simple. But for you to know what you are doing and get correct access mark to this VVTi, which is variable valve timing and intelligent sprocket, there are secret marks that Toyota hide it and it's invisible for you to do, which will take a quite number of time before you can see it, and it's in between the two sprocket mark. While it is showing, you can see a deep pointed mark out there, which is indicates a sprocket, exhaust sprocket, and then the inlet sprocket. And these marks will allow you to get your timing set easier than to use the yellow mark, because using the yellow marks will not require you 100% guarantee to get the correct start, but use the that marks will guarantee you to get the exact marks that require for you to do. As you can see, the down mark indicates the deep mark, which is facing the crankshaft directly, and the toss marks are also accurate on it, which is 5 or 10 degree point out there, which will give you the exact 45-degree marks indicate, and it is 100% for you to get the correct start. Simply because these marks are in secret, invisible, and they have hide it, because for you to discover it, unless you take a look at it well before you can know. And most of the times 100% of mechanics never use this mark before unless it is visible for you to see, and all the time we can basically use the timing labs, the what do you call it, the crankshaft labs to do it, and it's also give a correct start. But one thing you have to know that doing this sometimes will require you to get a low timing, and it can also behave and not give you the correct sound as well. So this is why we are here to show you this secret mark, and anytime you become or underline this timing, make sure you clean that